How to register in the Shadow Control app. For this, we need to enter the credentials. In the first stage, you can do this either in the car or at home. Later, when you link the car to the app, you need to be in the car and disarm the system. So now I am registering. So we received information that the account has been successfully registered. Here we can enter the owner's data. In this case, I will skip it. Set a PIN code for the app, and it asks to find the device. For this, we turn on the ignition. We wait for the system to authorize. In this case, it authorized automatically because I have a tag in the car. Now I can press Find Device. We see it detects the shadow device. I select it. We see information appear that the connection was successful. I enter it and it suggests scanning the QR code. The QR code is in your manual. I go to the required page. It looks like this. I select Aim. We see that it automatically scanned and added the device. Next, it suggests entering the car data, name and model. We save and see the car information, that the door is open, the system is disarmed, the tag's charge level is 100%. So, we have linked the system to your application.